Hi, I'm Mike Miller, 4th and 5th Hour Robotics. My project is on the Scara robot. It consists of packaging and stamping. The robot will pick up the disc, motor the fan, and clean off the dust or anything. And it'll come and drop it off in the clamp. Then it'll set down the gripper, pick up the stamp and stamp it for labeling. Then it'll take the disc to the package and then drop it off. Takes operator start. It's going to pick up the disc. It'll take the disc over the fan, be cleaned.
Alright, get the status light on for the vacuum. Light for the fan.
Comes and sets it down to the clamp. Prox is made when it's clamped. Takes an push button to clamp it.
Alright.
Prox is made. Drops off the vacuum gripper. And it will go to pick up the stamp and then stamp the disc.
Okay. And the status light is still on for the clamp.
Stamps disc.
Alright, stamp the disc.
And it'll drop off the stamp.
And on the clamping fixture we got a limit switch to verify the retraction.
Now we're going to go to pick up the disc and then drop it off in the package.
Okay.
Closes the top on it. And drops it off.
Okay.
And returns it home.
Okay. Start again.
It's infrared. It'll stop the robot.
Alright,
It'll
good.
come back on. Continue the cycle.
Okay. Light for the vacuum. Status light for the fan to clean it off.
Should I take that out? I won't hit the
Yeah, go ahead.
There's no part in there. It won't.
Okay.
It
Alright.
just holds for a part.
Okay, real good. Noted the prox had to be made. Alright.
Goes and picks up the vacuum gripper.
Okay.
Back to pick up the disc. Back to the package.
Yeah, this looks real good.
Closes the top and takes up the drop off. And back to home.
Okay, full cycle. We're noting the verification of the limit switch, so cylinder is back, and when the part was in and pushed forward, we had a proc switch, verify, extend.
Michael from Robotics 1 Pinckney. I plan on demonstrating the Scare robot here, cycling a part through a drilling and deburring process and then palletizing. In order to start the process, it takes the part present limit switch, the safety gate, and a push button.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. Back to the push button again. Moving over to pick up the part. The crane carries the part to the work area. The robot is now supposed to be picking up a drilling tool and returning with it to the work area.
Alright, as a drill tool.
As the drill tool.
Alright, that's simulated by the fan and the light status. Alright. Put the drill tool back.
And now picks up the deburring tool. And proceeds to simulate deburring the part. Deburring tool is returned back to the tool rack. The part is then taken from the work area to a proximity switch to be sure that it is orientated correctly in the grip. The prox is tripped and the part is then moved for palletization. The robot now waits until the operator can properly place the part into the parts feeder.
Okay. Restart.
The safety gate has to be checked. The limit switch is already set. Gate set, and then the push button again.
Alright. That drilling tool again.
Yes. One item of note, if the safety gate is ever open during the cycle at all approaches of the parts, the robot will then depart to a safe location, turn off all outputs, wait for the gate to be reclosed, and the second operator to start.
Alright, why don't you do that now? Alright.
Robot moves to
Safety
safe
gate's been
location.
broken.
Gate must then be reclosed, and the second push button pushed.
Alright.
The robot returns to where it left off in the cycle and continues from there.
Alright, good. Went to safe, came back on the next step of the cycle after the second push button, correct?
Correct.
that's in the palletizing program?
Yes. Robotics 1, Pinckney. I am simulating a paint department, which the car comes off the line, the car is identified, then it goes to the feather duster, which removes all contaminants for the paint. Then it goes to primer, then to the base coat, and you choose which color you want. Then it goes down to the pickup point, takes it over to the rotary table, which is the sealer and the clear coat. Then it palletizes it and sends it down the line.
Explain what you just did. Operator start.
Operator start. Going to. Now it's picking up the light, which is simulating the paint sprayer.
Okay. And what position are you at on the rotary table? I mean the conveyor?
Position 4. Now this is simulating the primer. Now it's going to base coat, which is position 5. And then I choose the paint. Now it puts down the sprayer. And picks up the part and takes it to sealer and base coat.
Explain the output status if you're doing something here with the lights.
The light is indicating the sealer. Sealer is on. And it'll go off. And then it goes to clear coat next. Indicating by light 4. Then I choose which pallet I want to choose. I'll choose the number 1 pallet.
Okay, that was an operator again.
Yep.
Get that on the screen, okay. That looks good.
And then I'll go back. Position 1. And wait for the operator to start. No, there's no parts.
Okay. That was the beeper on the computer.
Yes.
The procs and the parts feeder.
Yep.
All right.
Identifies it. Picks up the.
Now I went through the procs field there on the conveyor. What did it tell it?
It told it that it was the type of car was a Continental,
Right.
and the other part was a Lincoln town car,
Which was not metal.
which is not in
Okay.
wood. Now it indicates the primer on the lights. Then it goes waiting for the choose the paint.
Okay.
And it
picks up the part, and then again takes it to the sealer. And clear coat.
Alright, you got a pallet on the rotary table.
Yes.
Looks good.
Now, because of it's a different car, the sealer hasn't come on yet. Now it has.
Alright.
Now goes to clear coat. Now it's use pallet 2.
Alright.
Just wait for it. No, it's telling no parts.
No parts,
No
beeper.
parts.
Alright.
And then you just and then you send it down the line, which is to the final line, which they put the interior on the cars.
Alright.
Hi, my name is John Dion. I'm in Robotics 1. This is my Workcell project. First, it'll go to this home safe position, and it'll go and pick up the electromagnetic gripper. I'll take that back to the safe position and come over to the chute and pick up the part and drop it off at conveyor number 1, and then go back to the home position. After it's gone to the home position, it'll go to the first station, which is the welding station, and light number 1 will blink once, and if that is made, it'll go to the first prox, and then to the second station, which is deburring, and it'll go to the third station, which is the second prox, and if the prox is made, it'll go to the fourth station, which is painting and drying, and if it is painted, it will go to the fifth station, which is the fifth prox, and then on for the second robot to pick it up. Spot is not ready to be run, lack of equipment. It would first go over and pick up the pallets, take one of the pallets to the conveyor number 2, which would be placed here, come over and get the electromagnetic gripper, then take the gripper over to conveyor 1 and pick up part number 1, take it over and put it in the first slot in the pallet, and then repeat that till the pallet's full, then drop off the gripper, take the pallet back, and get another pallet.
Okay. And what are each of the power supplies for?
This power supply is for the first magnetic gripper,
Okay.
this one is for the second magnetic gripper, and this one is to run my 3 lights.
Alright. For the starts
Yes.
and the restarts. Oh,
It's going to the home position. If you push input 1, it'll go to the electromagnetic gripper and pick it up.
mhm.
Now it'll return to the home position. On the start button, it'll go to the chute and pick up the part.
Alright, got spacer blocks in there for the parts feeder.
Now it's going back to the safe position.
Alright.
Push of input 1, it'll start the conveyor. It's in station 1, goes to prox, station 2. It's going to station 3. The lights both blink. Now it's at the end of the conveyor waiting for robot 2 to pick it up.
Okay.
Off the gripper.
Alright. There's a little carriage from magnetic gripper. Looks good. Alright, we're going to do one more cycle. Robot number 1.
It's returning to home position.
Operator start button again. Back of the magnetic gripper.
Before I go on, I'll tell you a little bit about my safety cell. I use
Okay.
the infrared
Alright.
and an emergency start button for both robots. They're hooked up between both controllers and run from each. Now I'll start this, and anytime it'll stop right after the next position. On that time, we'll re-pull the emergency stop, press the restart.
Alright, good. Real good. Alright, that was infrared. Okay.
And restart, it'll start up again.
Okay.
It's not made the second try.
Okay. It's out again, waiting for the second robot, right? Okay, real good. We had the infrared. The restart after the infrared. Or emergency stop and the restart.